I'm Jason from Redcote Leisure, and in this video we're introducing the Redcote Leisure Duo Micro Camper kit. This is an entry-level conversion. The kit comes with a table with a wood laminate finish and a fiamma leg. The table is off-centered, so you can position it in many different positions to suit your needs. The conversion provides a generous 6'1" bed with our just black leatherette cushions. The side seats provide lift-off lids so you can get easy access to the storage. The Redcote Leisure Duo Micro Camper kit will work with the following vehicles: Mark 1 and Mark 2 Renault Kangoos, Mark 1, Mark 2 and the current Citroen Berlingo, Mark 1 and Mark 2 Peugeot Partner, the current Peugeot Rifter and the current Vauxhall Combo, and the Mercedes C-Tam. If you want to go on a longer trip, you can also remove your back seats and use bed legs, which are available as an optional extra. We can also deliver to most UK addresses, free of charge included in the price. Please check out our website for more details.